Welcome to the new world of AI in customer service. Introducing the Customer Service Framework for AI. Discover how CSFAI enhances customer satisfaction and loyalty. The CSFAI Manifesto champions a customer-first and AI-first approach, aiming for 100% satisfaction through AI and human synergy. Our goal is the highest possible degree of satisfaction, with human interaction when necessary. This framework ensures that AI and human collaboration drive exceptional service, enhancing customer loyalty and trust. Now, we all know that 100% is unrealistic, as you can never get it right for everyone all of the time. But 95% is obligatory for a high-quality, reputable service, as declared acceptable minimum. The simple process of the CSFAI framework uses AI-assisted input. AI recognition and classification initiates the way to a resolution, entirely handled by AI. Cases that challenge AI processing or classification are escalated by the AI for human review, ensuring unresolved issues receive direct attention. This collaboration is vital for maintaining service quality. Continuous monitoring of AI and human interactions guarantees improvement, enhancing customer satisfaction. This synergy between AI and humans is crucial for achieving the highest service standards. Constant monitoring and measuring and repeat attempts, we identify areas needing improvement. Prohibition symbols highlight these areas, ensuring continuous enhancement. This approach not only maintains quality, but also boosts excellent service level fulfillment. Our framework covers the various input channels like phone, email, chat, and artificial intelligence to handle service requests, incidents, and legal issues. Legal and compliance matters always require human involvement, ensuring accuracy and adherence to regulations. This structured approach enhances optimal operations by efficiently categorizing and addressing various customer needs, as well as safeguarding the compliant operation of services. CSFAI integrates effortlessly with IT service management, quality, compliance, and security frameworks, supporting agile methodologies and artificial intelligence regulations. This ensures comprehensive service management. By aligning with these frameworks, CSFAI provides a robust foundation for consistent, high-quality service delivery, fostering trust and emotional connections with customers. Emotional connections with customers foster loyalty and encourage repeat business. Satisfied customers become advocates for the business and brand. Applying CSFAI is a key differentiator in competitive markets. By creating excellent service, companies can drive sustainable revenue growth. The simplicity of this framework assures all these benefits for your goals and targets. Make CSFAI part of your business strategy today. Join the AI revolution in customer service with CSFAI. Become a supporter and contribute to the future of customer service. Visit csfai.org to learn more and get involved.